What's up, guys? I'm gonna talk to you about the little jig tool to set for your pitch of your blades. Man, these things are pretty basic. All you got here is pretty much a clamp that you go down and tightens it down, and this right here is just an arm, the set height. You know what I mean? You've actually got washers and spacers where you can raise this up and down. Dude, it's simple. If you don't have one of these, if you want to check your pitch, look, it might look crazy, but guess what? It'll work. All it is a little homemade deal. And right there serves as my clamp, and right here serves as my little arm. It's a little flimsy right now because I just threw something together pretty quick. Just to get the video to show y'all, you can. Worst comes to worst, guys, you can make you something. I mean, y'all are doing forming, you should know how to make a little 10-minute jig, you know what I mean? Slide that back, tighten that down. This here is just I ain't got one nail here, one screw here, and they're only little roofing screws, so it's kind of a little flimsy, but you can use better wood to make you a better jig, you know what I mean? Then I just got me a couple spacers here, and then it just you set your height, you just turn that to wherever you need. But you can always put you a screw in here and put you a couple washers under it to raise it up, raise it down. I just notched that out, which I mean, that's pretty basic little setup. It ain't perfect. It ain't one of these. Like I said, it's dude, if you ain't got one, if you need to get your stuff adjusted, hey, it's a quick, easy way to do it. It'll get you in the ballpark, you know what I mean? It may not be perfect, but it'll get you by until you get one. All right, well, maybe it'll work. If you're, maybe something that'll interest you in doing it or not. If it is, you might think I'm crazy, but hey, if it works, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up with my channel. Thanks.